Hey guys, what's up? This is Dr. Cyberlogic. I've been doing a lot of skits recently because I find them enjoyable, but I still like to go back and do some tech videos. And I know a lot of people out there are just starting out on YouTube, and the top of the line program, which is Adobe Premiere Pro, is very expensive. So it's about $30 a month or like $200, $220 a year. And if you're just starting out on YouTube, not making any money, doing it as a hobby like me, you're not going to waste the money on that. That's too expensive, and there's alternatives out there, and even amazing free alternatives. Obviously, if a program's free, it's not going to be nearly as good as Premiere Pro, but let's talk about my favorite program that I'm going to be editing a skit I just did, and I'll show you how easy it is to use. And it's free. Alright guys, this is the program I was talking about. This is named DaVinci Resolve. There's a free version and there's a paid version. If you do decide to get the paid version, it's $300, which sounds expensive, but nowhere near as bad as paying $200 and something a year for Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is the better program, but cost-wise, and if you're not making money off this and just doing this as a hobby like I am, then you want to go with DaVinci Resolve because it does everything you need it to do. I have noticed there's less codecs that you can use with it. That might just be because I haven't figured it out yet. But right now, it's the best choice for me. So it's very easy to use. Just drag and drop. And then whenever you want to start, like let's say, this is a video that I made earlier today. I'm going to put a link in the top right corner if you guys want to watch it. But I like doing little skits. So this is me leaving the house, and I'll cut it right there. Then I just hit the cut part and delete, and there you go. Now it starts where I wanted it to. Alright, after years of waiting, finally get to go check out Night City. I can't wait. And then I just cut the end part. And there you go. Then you could just add different videos to it. Splice them together. I'm just doing this as a quick to show you. I'm obviously going to spend a lot more time editing this than what I'm showing in this video, but I just want to show you guys how easy it is. You can even go in there and play around with the sound. You can play around with color. You can even blur out locations. All this is very easy. So you can take a shape like right here, create a shape up here. If over a location you want to blur out, you can actually make it track objects. And like let's say you have a license plate on a car you want to blur out, or you're playing a game and you have your gamer tag up there and you don't want anybody to see it. What you can do is just blur that out, and the videos, you don't have to worry about your privacy getting out there. So this is a very robust program. It looks difficult to use, but if there's any issues, if you don't know what you're doing, all you have to do is just YouTube, and there's a lot of YouTube videos explaining exactly how to do everything in this program. This is the most simple, free program that I've found that actually does everything that I need it to do. Not like I was trying Premiere Elements before, which is a very cut back version of Premiere Pro, and I felt like I can barely do anything compared to Premiere Pro. This one has all the features that I need to make a video, and it's free. Premiere Elements cost me $100. So this is a much better program for anybody starting out on YouTube. If anybody wants me to make tutorial videos on how to use this program, or if anybody has any questions, please comment below. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. And if you want me to make any videos on different things on how to use it, what to do, I'm more than happy to do that. Like I said, just subscribe, leave some comments, and I'll help you guys out. All right, thank you. You guys have a great day.